Hi guys, so today's video,
we're going to show you how to do that thing, you know, where you can get into the menus and not have to pull the emergency brake.
what is that?
I don't know, stay tuned. Okay, so we hear some of you out there like to do this thing called bypassing your radio. It allows you to access menus and do things that you might not otherwise want to do while you're driving. It's very helpful if you have a passenger in the car and you have a navigation system and you want them to input an address for you.
Yes.
That's really about the only reason why you'd want to do this.
Mm-hmm.
So how do you do it? Well, first things first, on the wiring harness that comes with the radio, there's this really long light green wire. That needs to be grounded. Typically all you need to do is take the black wire and the light green wire, twist them together, and then ground them to the car's existing black wire, or take it to metal or whatever. Ground both those wires. That's the easy part. Not that any of this is particularly hard, but here's the second part. Come to the face of the radio, down here in this bottom corner right here. Come over about a ½ inch and up about a ½ inch and press and hold. Now keep in mind the radio has to be off, and just keep holding. And if you look in the middle of the radio, right above the cool little Windows icon, it says set on. Once that pops up, the radio is bypassed. Now you can do anything you want. Basically what it's doing is putting the radio in a bench test mode. It's not going to affect anything on the radio. It'll still work the same way it does. Well, what it was made for is a demonstration on board, and or if you need to test the radio. It's kind of a backdoor thing. I'm not even going to go into the backdoor thing. Not even touch that. Whatever works for you. Okay.
So thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe. You guys can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Otherwise, we'll see you next time, and you guys have a great night. See you later. Bye.